Mastering apostrophes in English, plural nouns and possession. Hello, dear viewers. In today's session, we're going to explore an important aspect of English grammar, apostrophes. More specifically, we'll discuss how we use apostrophes with plural nouns to indicate possession. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Apostrophes are an integral part of English grammar. They have two primary uses, contraction and possession. But today, we will concentrate on the possession part. When we want to show that something belongs to someone or something, we use an apostrophe. For example, in the sentence, John's book, the apostrophe in John's shows that the book belongs to John. Before we get to plural nouns, let's review how we use apostrophes with singular nouns for possession. The rule is simple. Add an apostrophe followed by s to the end of the singular noun. For example, if the book belongs to Lisa, we say, Lisa's book. Now, let's move on to our main focus, using apostrophes with plural nouns. When a plural noun ends in s, we simply add an apostrophe to the end. So, if we're talking about books belonging to all the students, we say, the students' books. Notice that the apostrophe comes after the s in students. However, if a plural noun does not end in s, like children or women, we use the same rule as singular nouns. Add an apostrophe followed by s. For example, children's books or women's hats. There are some common mistakes that people often make with apostrophes. One frequent error is using an apostrophe to make a noun plural. Remember, we do not use an apostrophe to form plurals. For instance, apples is incorrect if you mean more than one apple. The correct plural is apples. Another common mistake is with its. Its is a possessive pronoun, like his or her, and does not need an apostrophe. On the other hand, its is a contraction of it is or it has. Keep this distinction in mind to avoid confusion. That's it for today's lesson. We've learned how to use apostrophes with plural nouns to indicate possession, and we've addressed some common mistakes to avoid. Remember, practice is the key to mastering grammar rules, so keep practicing these rules whenever you write. Hope you found this lesson helpful. Stay tuned for our next session. Happy learning!